Hello, good morning. Hope you all started your practice. Practice going well. So now we are in the session 6. So 5 sessions over, right? So you have completed all the strokes and you have started writing the letters, and based on the letters which is fall within these two lines, which is in the pink color, you see all these letters, there are 13 letters, then upper loop letters 4, then lower loop letters 4, then loopless letters 4, then the letter which is touching all the 4 lines F, there is one letter. So 26 letters we have completed, right? Now this session you have to go through completely from A to Z in a proper order you write. This practice you can do any number of times, right? Within the next session starts maybe 5 times, 6 times or 10 times, but you practice this because this is the alphabet by which we are going to write the words, right? So two things you have to keep in mind. One is every letter starting and ending, because we are going to connect. How will you connect this starting and this ending? This ending will be connected with the another starting, and the ending of this will be connected with the another starting. So anyhow, the starting and ending is very important. So as already it was told to you, starting is normally in the third line. So this is line 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can check, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All these 9 letters are starting from third line. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All 24 letters, they start from line 3. Except 2 letters, you see, I just circle. These 2 letters start in the middle. This is about the starting point. This is about the starting point. These 2 letters are exceptions. Again, ending we will see. Okay, we'll start from the first letter. Mostly the ending is between the second letter, second and third line, middle of the second and third. Okay, now we will check. It is ending here, 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 here. And if you check all these letters, there are only 5 letters which is not ending in the middle. Okay, instead of a circle, I will just make it square, right? This is one letter. This is another letter. Okay. This is another letter. This is another letter. This is another letter. How many letters in the box? Just check. Just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 letters are touching the second line. You see? 4. Touching the second line. Second line, it is ending here. This is ending here, and this is ending here. And these 2 endings and the beginnings are very important for our next move, that is joining. Okay, now I am going to take you how to make the joining, right? See, there are 26 alphabets. If you connect every alphabet with the other alphabet, 26 into 26. These are the number of possible joins. Okay, say for example, for letter Q, you might have learn this from your lower classes. The letter Q is always followed by U. Q, U. You cannot find any letter after this Q with any other letter except U, right? So the number of possible joints are this much, but actual joints may reduce, right? Now what I am going to tell you is, we are going to take this 26 letters and you select any, suppose I select A, I select any other two letter from here, I will start the practice. Okay, like that I am going to select now for this session the first two letters. Why? Because both starting point is same, but the ending point differs. Here the ending is in the middle, here ending is in the second line. Now we are going to see when a letter ends in the middle and the letter ends in the above in the second line, how the joints will be, right? It's very simple. That's why with that confidence we are giving you the time, very shortest time you can learn, right? Once you are getting this letter in this perfection, so again I tell you, if you write fast, very difficult in the beginning stage, you have to write very slow. Maybe near to this I will write some letters in which speed you have to write. Say for example, I have a space here, letter is Z. This is the method to write the letter very slowly. In pencil it will come very beautiful. Say letter I will write. See, I'll write one loop letter for you. Say for example, I'll write B, or yeah, already we have practiced here. I'll write here. Follow the method, rules which we told. Any number of times you write, you will get the same size. The size may differ some 2-3% difference between person to person, but you will get your size perfectly. So this type of practice should be done. Okay, and especially the letters A, D, you see, in these letters I want this landing line. Many of them they do like this. So D will be like this. This is a printing letter. But whereas for us here, you see that it falls within the two slanting. That is very important. So we follow slanting in all the letters. So that we have to follow. Now let me go to the joining, right? I am going to take only two joinings. Okay. Okay, let me take first letter A, right? We will first write the letter A. Make a curve, come back, go here, come back, end here. This is the ending. Now we choose another letter, any letter. Which letter? Okay. Shall I take B? Shall I connect B? Right. I'll try. See, already the B is actually should start from third line. So what is the advantage of cursive letter is, every time when we write, we save half of the stroke. See, in this one line, this is the stroke for every letter, but already this half is here. So I am writing only the remaining half. So that saves time. In a word of 5 letters, 5 times we are saving a little bit of time. That is how it improves the speed. Suppose I am going with this. Instead of starting here, now I am going here. See, I have not taken any efforts. Let me tell secret to you. The joining is natural with some exceptions. See, I did nothing. I just made a A. I have continued B. That's all. It's over. Joining is over. So like this, you have how many letters ending here? There are 21 letters ending here. All these 21 letters into 26 letters, you just make these many joins are this simple. So easy. If this is easy, then what will be if the letter ending here? If it is easy, that is so easy. I'll show you. Suppose, see here. Now I am going to take the letter B, right? I am going to start from the third line. See. So I am ending here. Now what letter you want to connect? Say for example A, I want to connect A. Now see, the A starts from here. It goes like this, comes like this, goes like this, and end here. Okay, end here. But I am going to connect this, but this letter should start from third line. But already we are in the second line. Then why should you start from third line? See, in the previous connections, half of the line is saved. Now one full line is saved. Instead of starting from here, I can start from here, you see. So now you tell me, comparing the previous join like this, okay. Now you take these two. Connecting A and B, we are saving half of this. But connecting B and A, we are saving one full line. So, which is helping you to write more fast? The letter ending with second line. Is this a difficult? No, it is natural connection. Just you stop here, whatever the letter comes in your mind, you connect. Just it goes, it is very natural. And this is so easy. These are the two types of joining present in this alphabets. So seems to be very funny. See, this is the joining. Now I am going to give you exceptions. By practical usage, we have find out some exceptions which we are advising you to do it. Okay, that I will tell you. Say for example, three letters, okay, the three letters, I'll just circle it like this. Letter E, letter R, letter S. How many letters? Three letters. These three letters connecting with upper ending letter. How many upper ending letters? There are 5 letters. How many? B, F, O, V, W. There are 5 upper ending letters. Connecting with this upper ending letter, especially with these 3 letters E, R, S, we have found it is not, which some children find it difficult in connection, so it makes some shabby look. So what we felt, instead of that whole joining, we made this as an exception. So 15 exceptions we have made, and practically we found another exception also. I will show you how it is the exception. Say for example, letter B. What is the next letter? Say, you just Tell that letter R. Already you have to go from here, isn't it? R. Now you see, this looks like BI, then BR. Okay, this is BR. This is BR, you just check. So, while writing, we find out 15 places the letters are not satisfying our expectations. So, what we felt is the letter E, R and S, when it is connected with the B, F, O, V, W, it is better not to connect. We call it as non-joins. Don't connect. How many letters? 15 letters. Okay, just write very close, it's enough. Okay, then one more letter. By practical usage, we also find out when we are writing now I am going to write letter R. Now this is also looks like B and I. You see, B ends here and this looks like I. The dot is not there, but this is again a confusion. So what we feel is the L and R is another letter can be written separately. So totally 16 letters are exceptions, right? Now I think I have told you what are the joins, what are the exceptions. But what is more important is the shape of the letter is more important than the joining. Joining is so easy. We'll be teaching you how to join. Okay, what you have to do is now in this session 6, A to Z you have to write, practice any number of times slowly. Then after this, you select one upper ending and one lower ending letter and connect with or do one thing, select each letter, connect with two more letters. Suppose A with B and C, B with D and M, C with G and P, D with I and Q, like that. Select 26 letters into two letters. You will get 52 set of letters, connections, two letter connections. At least this much you have to practice minimum, and do this practice with another option again with the, so it will be around 104 times you are writing two letter joining. This is our session 6. Now onwards your work starts little more, right? But enjoy it. Okay, I will tell you before 15, maybe in 7th 8th day you will get a beautiful letters. Okay, if you done all this and you feel one full set is very satisfactory to you, check letter by letter it is perfect. You take a click and send it to me. I will also go through and give you some suggestions. Okay, let us see in the next session. Bye.